How to repost archive story on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost your archive story on Facebook. Go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Here tap on your profile picture at the top. Once you tap on it, you will reach your profile page. Here you'll find three dots next to edit profile option. Tap on this option and you will be taken to your profile settings page. Here under profile status, you will find archive option. Now you just simply have to tap on this option and it will take you to a new page. In this archive section, here tap on this story archive at the top. Now here you will find all the list of your archive stories. Select the one you want to repost. Tap on it to select it. And once you have selected the story, at the bottom you'll find Share Story option. Tap on this Share Story option. And at the bottom you'll find Share to Story option. Tap on this option. Now if you want, you can edit your story by adding the text, music or effects. After you are done customizing it, tap on this share button right here to repost the story. After doing that, come back to the home page and then there you will find your reposted story. Tap on it to view it. So in this way you can repost your archive story on Facebook. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.